In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Sops in Clickup. Start by opening Clickup and going to the Overview area inside your workspace. This is a good starting point because it gives you quick access to the main navigation and the tools you need to set up repeatable processes. From the left side menu, click on Templates. Templates are helpful because they let you build a full Sops system without starting from a blank page. They also provide a consistent structure, which makes your documentation easier for a team to follow. Inside Templates, find and click on HR Sops. This template is designed to organize standard operating procedures in a clear, repeatable way. Once you open it, click Use Template. You will see another confirmation to use template, so click Use Template again to apply it. After the template is added, you should now have a ready-made SOP space that you can edit and expand. Next, in the template content, click on Recruitment. This is one of the SOP sections included in the template, and it is typically where you would document hiring steps, handoffs, and supporting resources. Click on the highlighted area shown in the document to place your focus in the right section, so you can easily review or edit what is already there. Then click on Performance Evaluation. This moves you to another SOP topic, which helps you keep processes separated and easy to locate. After that, click on Getting Started Guide. This guide is useful for understanding how the SOP system is organized, so you can keep naming and formatting consistent as you add more documentation. Now switch the view by clicking on List. List view is great for scanning items quickly and seeing details in rows. Then click on Board to change to a workflow-style layout. Board view is useful when you want to move SOP-related tasks or stages across columns in a more visual way. From the board view, click on Recruitment again to return to that section. Finally, click on Team Docs, then select HR SOP. This takes you into the central document area where your SOPs live, so you can read, maintain, and expand them over time. That covers everything you need to know.